Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. The sun's almost shining, the birds are singing, the bees are buzzing. It's springtime here in West Virginia, and we're here in a gated community. It's a private campground here in southern West Virginia, and we're working on a refrigerator today. Lady called, said everything in the fridge freezes. Freezer's fine, but everything in the fridge freezes too. So it's a Dometic. It's an RM2852, I do believe. Let's go in here and check this out. We're gonna look at the thermistor first, and probably test the thermistor and see what it says. Because that's kind of an odd problem, that our RV refrigerator works too well. Usually they don't work at all. So let's go see what's going on. Oh my goodness, you forgot I was here already, didn't you? You forgot I was here. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I'm scared to death.
Come here, you.
I'm scared to death.
There you go.
Well, first thing I see is the little plastic clippy thingy that holds the thermistor to the fins is MIA. But still want to test that thermistor. So let me get set up here and I'll tell you what we find out. Just have to get this cover off so I can get to the other end of the wires for the thermistor. The screw up here, and then there's a couple of clip thingies here that you have to do, but I gotta set y'all up over here. You won't be able to see, so no complaining. I'll zoom you in, but that don't always work very well. Screw out the top here. A lot of times you can just get one of those clips loose, the other one will follow suit. Just like so. The thermistor is this two pin connector right here. So got that off where we can get to it. Now we're going to drop that thermistor and a brand new thermistor in a cup of ice water, and then we will check the ohms reading here. I'm trying to remember, I think it's around 70,000 ohms at 32 degrees, which 32 degrees is a cup of ice water with thermistor dropped in it. He got put in timeout, did he?
Yeah, pretty much.
He's not bothering me. Put your tray back out there. Ice water, thermistor dropped right in. Get out our trusty, whoo, that's close. Get out our trusty multimeter. We will put it on the ohm setting. See if I have lost my paper clips. I usually do. It don't last long with me. Yeah, I got one. Nope. Well, I got a paper clip and a little piece of wire. Let's do this. See, I don't like y'all all zoomed in like that, but I know people like to see. So what I'm going to do is just put one piece of wire in one lead on the, and this one in the other one. Stick it in this little tiny connector. Let's see what it says. Eight 8.6K ohms at so it's 80,000 ohms. Let's get the K down here. So let's I have a brand new one. Let's test it and see what it says. Oh, it's got the clippy thingy with it too. Okay. So 8.6. Let's see. Now we will take the brand new one out of the package. That is supposed to be the correct one for this refrigerator. We will drop it in the water, and then I'll get my meter out here and put on these. Okay, so let's put our makeshift test leads in this one. Let's try and back probe it. This is hard to do by yourself. Really makes things a lot easier if you got an extra pair of hands. Okay, now we're hooked up. And right now it says 8,500. Verify, yeah, 8.6. We'll give that a few minutes and see where that's going to settle in. I bet it's probably not going to go far. This seems to have settled in at about 8.8. The other one was 8.6, so that's an insignificant amount. So I'd say the thermistor is okay. It just needs to be in contact with those fins. And yeah, I mean, I could use my little plastic clippy thingy, but then I wouldn't have it for that brand new thermistor. So I think what we're going to try is an old cotter pin out of an awning. That should go on the fin and keep the thermistor in contact with the fin. So we're going to see if this works. See, here's my thinking. We'll slide that pin, which is split, over those fins and see if it'll hold that. Let me do that because I need my other hand. All right, I think you can probably see that. I'm going to slide that thermistor down a little bit because it will make subtle differences in the temperature just by moving that thermistor up and down. Down on the fins is cooler, down is warmer, up is cooler. So yeah, I think that'll work. So the bad thing about working on a refrigerator is it will be hours before you've known any difference. If you've made any difference. It'll be hours, and I can't stay here for hours. So I've got a few other things to do to the camper, so I will throw thermometer in the freezer and the fridge. I didn't do that before because it didn't really matter. Everything in here was froze solid. So that's going to be it on this one, unless something weird happens. So don't y'all get weird. Get down in that comment section. Well, you can get weird in the comment section. I don't care. Leave me a comment, criticism, concern, and I'm going to stay here and do some other stuff, and y'all have a great day.